Last month, I spent some time at the garage in Salina, Kansas. I got to help them with an exhibit changeover and film some of it. Today's video is not about that. Welcome back to No AC, baby. Okay, so this is the north end of the facility that we've been setting up the 50s era exhibit coming up. We're done for day 2. We've gotten the cars in. We've done what we can do today. So we are gonna take a second to go show you the south side of the facility. All right, so this is kind of the entryway over there. Got the front desk behind this wall. As awesome as that 50s era exhibit is gonna be, that is not the only awesome thing in this facility. I'm actually one of the only people in here right now, so it is pretty cool to be me. But I'm very excited to be able to give y'all a tour of this place. Kind of a very behind the scenes look actually for y'all. Let's go check it out. So the lights are off, but you come into the gift shop to start, and then it opens up to this amazing room. So right now you have this Lego exhibit set up behind me for the kids. This is kind of the room I would view, you know, if you're bringing your family here, this is kind of the room you would hang out in. When that wasn't here, I've seen tables set up. You have the racing simulators over here, and then a bunch of amazing cars hanging around you, all customs. This is the Roger and Sissy Morrison Library Collection. A great place for kids to learn or for adults to even further their knowledge about automotive history. You even got a little outdoor patio area. Okay, so this room that I'm standing in right here, this is the southernmost room of the facility. We are gonna take a closer look at everything this houses, but before I jump into that, I do just wanna thank the garage for allowing me to come out here and film all of this, and Michelle specifically. Also Matt and Sean, who've been great to work with. They are so knowledgeable and they've been helping me learn. So once again, I appreciate you two as well. You know, not everyone is always willing to help others learn and educate. But so when you find those people, you got to do right by them. I appreciate you two for being so awesome to work with over the last few days and allowing me to help. So that wraps up the behind the scenes tour of the south side of the garage. This is such an amazing facility. I hope you guys enjoyed getting to see this. I definitely enjoyed getting to bring this to you. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more on the way. No AC, baby.